G'day everyone and welcome back. Just a really quick video here. I just thought I'd say hey. So it has been 2 months since I watched my very first YouTube video on how to restore a headlight. So, my point is I had now got a fully functioning headlight restoration business. So do not listen to people when they say you can't do something. Just go out and have a crack, because you will surprise yourself on just how much you really can do on the knowledge that you have. And what you don't know, you can learn. Because if it's not a physical attribute in life, you can do whatever you want. So you have yourself a great day. Like and subscribe for more, and I look forward to the next one. Have the best day.